Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a quick how-to guide on how to switch data roaming on or off on the Nothing Phone 1. Now, when travelling, one of the things that you might want to avoid doing is incurring additional charges because you're roaming. Your phone is connecting to networks that aren't your home country network, and you risk paying quite a lot of money for that. So to switch roaming off, I suggest you pull down your notification shade, pull it down again, press the cog at the bottom right of the notification shade, and once you're there, go into Network and Internet, your SIM cards, and then you have a switch there that says Roaming. So it's not far down, it's actually the third option down from the top, and you can switch roaming on or off. So in this case I had it off. I'm going to say turn it on, and you actually get a warning, roaming charges may apply. So if roaming is on, you'll see it switched on, but if you want to switch it off, it's as simple as going down to the notification shade, pulling down again, press the cog button. Once you press the cog button, go to Network and Internet, SIMs, and from here just switch the toggle for roaming off. You won't get a warning when switching roaming off, but you will when you switch it on. So that's just a really quick, easy guide on how to switch data roaming on or off on the Nothing Phone 1. Now obviously this is one of a series of videos we're doing on the Nothing Phone 1. If you haven't already, check out our unboxing video. We also did a setup video where I went through the setup experience on the Nothing Phone 1, and we also have a dedicated video for this transparent case for the Nothing Phone 1, which allows you to see the most of that glyph interface. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below, and if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. And in today's modern age, the smartphone, we believe, is probably one of the most important things. So subscribe to us if you'd like to see more of this content, but for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.